Attorney Roque.
I'm sorry, madam, but I am
Yes,
a
it's all
resource
right.
person invited.
Yes, you are.
I was
Wait.
asked
Let me
to
finish.
answer.
Yes, you
Hindi ko po
already answered in
maintindihan,
excess.
Kapag gusto niyo
Sandali
akong
po.
tumigil, papatigil niyo ako kapag ako nag-explain.
Yes.
I thought we were engaged in the
Attorney.
search for the truth.
Oh, definitely we are. Attorney Roque, what I am
Chair,
saying,
Madam
yes, and
Chair.
Sherwin.
Attorney Roque, please be reminded to respect the chairperson.
I'm very respectful, Madam Chair.
Paano respectful na nagsasalita siya, sinasabayan mo siya?
I apologize, Senator Gatchalian.
One more,
I
and
apologize.
I will cite you in contempt. And if you disrespect the chairperson, we'll be compelled to cite you in contempt.
Ang sabi po nyo, you did not authorize the use of your name in the organizational chart. That was submitted as an official attachment by Lucky South 99 to PAGCOR.
Totoo
So, kasalanan po yan ni Cassie Linong, tama ba?
Hindi po. Kasalanan
Hindi.
po yan ng kung sinong gumawa.
Eh, sino
Dahil
ang
wala naman
gumawa?
pong establishment. Gumawa po niyan, Lucky South.
Yes.
Dahil sila po nag-a-apply.
Na si Cassie Linong ang isang ano doon.
Wala po
ang
pa
boss
tayong
doon.
ebidensya na nagpapakita kung sino nag-submit talaga ng mga dokumento, but PAGCOR can confirm kung sino talaga nag-submit ng mga dokumentong yan.
Okay, we will
Pero-
ask PAGCOR that again later. We asked them before. Basta ang malinaw po sa komite ay yung organizational chart na yan na may drawing, may box, na legal, na nandun yung pangalan nyo, was one of the official attachments sa submissions ng Lucky South 99 sa PAGCOR. And sabi nyo nga, ang tawag nito, yung obligasyon ng Pogo na Lucky Star sa PAGCOR ang pinag-uusapan ninyo sa PAGCOR. So, due diligence, bilang abogado, dun sa mga diskusyong iyon, alam nyo kung ano yung mga dokumentong sinumite, alam nyo yung mga official attachments na nakalagay doon. Did you confront Cassie Linong about this? Or kinasuhan nyo ba siya na kung bakit nandun yung pangalan nyo sa organizational chart?
Madam, nagagalit po kayo dahil sinasabi nyo, binibigay ko ng mga salita ang inyong bibig. Pero right now,
Hindi
you
naman
already
ako
assume...
nagagalit. Sinasabi ko lang wag nyong gawin
Oo,
yun.
pero ngayon po, sinabi nyo, you again insinuated that I had anything to do with the document. Ayan nga po ang sinasabi ko. As far as I know po...
Attorney, please stop using that offensive verb insinuating. I am a very plain speaker.
Okay, I'm
Pwede
sorry.
Nyo lang, it's all right. Pwede
Okay.
nyo lang sabihin mali yung fact na
Mali po.
sinasite, tinatanggi
Oo.
nyo yung sinabi ng ibang resource person. 4 na taon na pong itong investigasyon. Halos wala na pong nag insinuate kasi dire-diretso na pong mag-usap. Okay, so please tell the committee, kinonfront nyo ba si Cassie Linong or kinasuhan nyo ba siya? Bakit nandyan yung pangalan nyo sa organization?
Well, unang-una po, nalaman ko lang na nandun ang aking pangalan nung nag-hearing po last time dito na sinabi ni Chairman Altenco. Pero bilang abogado and naging professor ng constitutional law, I'm familiar with the rules of the Senate. And the Senate says that in proving facts, the rules of court apply in the suppletory character.
I don't need to argue with you about
Opo,
that, attorney.
pero
But you
ang
don't need
sinasabi
to,
ko lang po-
excuse me, sandali po. You don't need to tell the committee what the rules of the Senate
Well,
are.
I'm just
Please
citing
just
po.
answer our question. You don't
My
need to
answer
cite,
po
it's not
is
necessary.
that document is only evidence of its existence. Pero para patunayan po yung katotohanan na nakalasaad sa dokumentong yan, dapat meron pong testigo na nakakita ng ginawa yung dokumentong yan, o di naman kaya testigo ng gumawa ng dokumentong yan, o di naman kaya yung testigo na pumirma ng dokumentong yan.
Actually,
Pag
as
wala
I
po
said
yan,
earlier, excuse
hindi
me,
po
excuse
siya
me.
po
No,
pwede.
excuse
Ma'am,
me.
excuse me
No,
kasi...
no, excuse me, Attorney Roque.
I'm sorry, madam, but I am
Yes,
a
it's all
resource
right.
person invited.
Yes, you are.
I was
Wait.
asked
Let me
to
finish.
answer.
Yes, you
Hindi ko
already
po
answered in
maintindihan,
excess.
Kapag gusto nyo
Sandali
akong
po.
tumigil, papatigil nyo ako kapag ako nag-explain.
Yes.
I thought we were engaged in the
Attorney.
search for the truth.
Oh, definitely we are. Attorney Roque, what I am
Chair,
saying,
Madam
yes, and
Chair.
Sherwin.
Attorney Roque, please be reminded to respect the chairperson.
I'm very respectful, Madam Chair.
Paano respectful na nagsasalita siya, sinasabayan mo siya?
I apologize, Senator Gatchalian.
One more,
I
and
apologize.
I will cite you in contempt. And if you disrespect the chairperson, we'll be compelled to cite you in contempt.
I understand and I apologize.
Huwag mo naman
Your Honor.
sabayan siya, nagsasalita siya. Siya ang chairperson.
Okay, Your Honor. I understand. I apologize.
Salamat, Sen Sherwin. At salamat, Attorney Roque, sa apology nyo kay Sen Sherwin. All I'm saying is, there is no need for any resource person to cite the rules of the Senate to a Senate committee. We know that. So please just answer the questions which are being asked of each resource person at length with an embarrassment of time para masagot nyo yung mga tanong. But please stick to the topics and do not lecture a Senate committee about the rules of the Senate committee. We know that. We correct ourselves kapag lumalabag kami doon.